Okay guys, this is done installing. There we go, but I'm not gonna play it now, but there we go, installed Hockey Eastside Manager 2005. Yeah, it's an old game, but still kind of up to date. Okay, we did that. Now let's get a game from the shelf. Let's see. How about we install Luxor? Yeah, this is a good game. I never played it before, but this looks like a fun game. I thought this was made by Get, but no, it's made by Mumbo Jumbo. This stupid charger want to get out of my way. I want to install Luxor. Okay, we're back, and just shut the hell up with the counterfeiting. Ooh, MJ. Let's install it. Yep, I'd like to install it. Oh, damn it. My lens blurry. Okay, there we go. Get back to normal again. Let's install Luxor. Verifying installer. Okay. Alright, I agree. Install. I want to play this install shortcut on this. What the hell? Okay, there we go. We got Luxor. Yay! Oh my God, this is taking forever. Okay, and before I go, I'll show you all the games that I have. Like some of these games are too old, and I put them on my other computer, so. I'll show you what I got. So these two don't work. This one works. Doesn't work. Works. Like, I haven't tested them out yet, but like they installed. I haven't tried these out yet. Doesn't work. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys next time when I get another game to download. Look at all these games. Okay, I'll stop messing around, and goodbye. Have a great day.